Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 68 of Build the Legendary Cyborg RoboCop from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these 1/3 scale RoboCops, go to their website, folks. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. That'll take you to their website, and you too can have a looky-loo and then just subscribe to this beautiful, beautiful model. Quick scoop through the magazine. We got the history of RoboCop, gadgets present in the Metro South Police Station there. Some nice little data files there and background info on the film. This is what we're going to be doing today. We've got some more parts going on the left elbow there. Starting and continuing this assembly, working our way down the arm. Couple of screws there going in. That's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue. And this is where it's going to go on our RoboCops, folks. Yes. You then got robots with haptic interfaces, folks. A bit similar to our smartphones. All of this touch-sensitive stuff. And this is really going to work out wonderful for anyone who unfortunately has lost a limb, because it's going to give them sensation on their artificial limbs, folks. This is photonics. This is all the fibre optic networking stuff that's going on around the world. Some more information there. Light and its impact on health. Obviously, all the microscopic LEDs and stuff like that. So give these a read, folks. They are a wealth of information in these magazines. So let's put this to one side. Let's grab all of our bits and pieces and get them on the bench. We could start a bit of assembly for you, folks. Right, this is what we had from the last time, folks, our elbow joint. So we got that. We then got this piece. And we've also got this piece of die cast as well. So we're going to be sliding the elbow joint this way round. And it's going up inside this sleeve, folks. Somewhat like that. Okay. We're then coming in with our bit of die cast. And we're going to go that way round. And we're going to be going into this piece here. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. Something like that. Over the elbow joint. And then we'll be putting the screws in this side round. Like that. So let's get a screw on the end of the screwdriver. And we'll get one of these in situ, folks. There you go. Goes quite deep in there. So that's that one in. And then we can make sure then that we've got our second one lined up. Grab our screw. A little bit of oil. And then we go right down in there. Go for a longer screwdriver there, I think. There you go. That's that fully homed. And that's that side fully homed. There you go. So that's what you've got, folks, okay? So that is now looking rather splendid, isn't it? See? So that's us for today on this issue, folks. We got the elbow joint in, we got its shroud in place, and we got the piece of die cast on the outside. So if you'd like to grab this for yourself, folks, this beautiful, beautiful die cast model, pop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link below. Pop. And you too can be building this along with me, folks. In the meantime, to help me out, you can just give little Fester a click in the corner there and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be immensely grateful. Whilst you're there, give the bell a ring. That will notify you of upcoming Partwork content, scale model content, tutorials, etc. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.